Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install and use FFmpeg on your Windows 11 operating system. So for those of you who don't know what is FFmpeg, FFmpeg is a tool which is a cross-platform tool for recording, converting and streaming your audio and video files. So for example, using FFmpeg you can convert one format of video to another format. For example, you can convert MP4 to AVI file. You can also convert MP4 file to MP3 files. So you can do many stuff using FFmpeg. So let's see how we can download and use it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for FFmpeg, and the first link which will appear here will be from ffmpeg.org. So I'm going to click on this link. And here you will be able to learn more about this FFmpeg library. Now, in order to download the FFmpeg on your Windows 11 operating system, you can either click on this download section here, or you can click on the download button which is visible on the main page. So I'm going to click on this download button here. Now, as you can see, download source code and download PGP signing key. We don't want to download either of them. We want to just move down here, and then here we need to click on the Windows icon. So I'm going to click on the Windows icon here. And once you click on the Windows icon, you will be able to see these two builds here. So Windows builds from gyan.dev and Windows build by BTBN. I'm going to click on the first link, which is Windows build from gyan.dev. So I'm going to click on this link, which is going to redirect me to this website. And from here, I can scroll down. From here, I can see that I can download this 7-zip file for FFmpeg Essential, and I can also download the 7-zip file for FFmpeg full version. But I want to download the zip file. So if you don't have the 7-zip tool, which is a tool using which you can extract 7-zip files, then I will recommend you to click on this link which says gyan.dev ffmpeg builds ffmpeg git github. So just click on this, which is going to redirect us to the GitHub repository. And from here you can see you have the option to download the zip file. So I'm going to download the zip file for the full build. So I'm going to click on this version which says FFmpeg full build at the last, and then .zip. So I'm going to click on this. So you can see it's around 136 megabyte file. So I'm going to wait for the download to complete. So once this zip file is downloaded, just go to the location where it's downloaded. Let me minimize this browser. So first of all, I'm going to extract this file, right click and then click on extract all, which is going to extract this file at your desired location. So right click on this zip file and then click on extract all, which is going to extract this to your desired location. So I'm going to extract this to my C drive. So let me just do this. So I'm going to choose C drive and then click on select and then click on extract, which is going to extract this zip file into my C drive. So once this zip file is extracted, I can see in my C drive this folder is created. So what I generally like to do is I generally like to make this shorter. So I can just right click here and then rename the folder name to just FFmpeg. You can leave it as it is, but my preference is like this. So I just rename this to FFmpeg, and then I can use this library, right? So when you go inside this FFmpeg directory and then go inside this bin directory, you will be able to see this ffmpeg.exe file. Now, first of all, before using it, we will set the environment variable for this FFmpeg binary file so that we can use this anywhere from our command line, right? So I'm going to just copy the path here, and then I'm going to just search for environment variables. Okay, so just search for environment variables when you type first few letters of environment, you will be able to see this option which says edit the system environment variables. So I'm going to click on this, which is going to open this kind of window. Here click on environment variables, and then under system variables click on path variable and then double click on it. Otherwise you can click on edit also. Here I'm going to just provide a new variable, so click on new and then paste the path which you have copied. In my case it's c:/FFmpeg/bin. So you need to copy the path until the bin folder. Okay, so copy the path until the bin folder where your ffmpeg.exe file is there. Once you have set the path, click on OK and then click on OK and then click on OK. And now we are ready to use FFmpeg. So first of all, I'm going to open my command prompt. So just type cmd in the search bar here and then open the command prompt. And once command prompt is open, here you can test FFmpeg by just typing FFmpeg here and then -version and then press enter. And if it shows you this kind of result, then FFmpeg is working on your Windows 11 operating system. So now let me clear this command prompt, cls I think. And now let's say I have this video file which is the sample.mp4. Let me just show the extension also, so you can go to the view section and then click on show and then click on file name extension, and then you will be able to see the extension here. This is a sample.mp4 file. First of all, you can cd to this directory in your command prompt. So you can just type cd and then the name of the directory. In my case, it's video inside my user directory. And then I can convert this sample.mp4 to, let's say, AVI file. So I'm going to just write FFmpeg here and then -i and the name of my source file, which is sample.mp4, and then the name of my destination file. So I can name it anything, for example, output.avi. So .avi will be the format of the output file. I'm going to press enter here and it's going to start processing this file. And I can also see here that this output.avi file is created, but still you need to wait for this process to finish. You can see it's processing this video, and you can see how much time of the video has been processed. So just wait for this process to complete. Once this file is processed, I can see that everything is done, and I can once again see that I can give the next command. So now I can go to the folder where I have processed this file. So this is the output.avi file, and this was the input which I have given, which was sample.mp4, and it's going to work fine on your Windows 11 operating system, right? So this is the same file, but I have changed the extension of this file using FFmpeg. So this is how you can download and install and use FFmpeg on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.